Alrighty, folks. We are on a Windows computer today, which is odd for me here. So let me make sure everything looks good. Yep, everything looks good. All right, so we're gonna work with a MetaMask and all of that good stuff on setting up. So if you have a full node and you want to use MetaMask and or the Trade Butler bot, or if you got your own sniper bot you're looking at using that you want to run locally on a Windows computer, you will need to do a couple things. So what we're going to want to do first is make sure you've gone and downloaded and installed Putty. Get Putty up. And then the first thing you're going to want to do is figure out your host name, your IP address to your full node. Mine is full node, and then we're going to call this money bags, and then you immediately want to save it. Um, so full host name or IP address there, that will work for me because I don't want to leak an IP address. And then if you come over to the side here, go to connection SSH tunnels, and then you're going to put in 8545 and then 1270 and then 127 period 0 period 0 period 1 colon 8545, and then make sure local and auto are ticked. Hit add. We're gonna go back and immediately change 5 to 6, 5 to 6. Hit add again, and then do not forget this step. Go back to session, click on your money bags, click save. Now when we connect to the full node, which again you will have an IP address or a host name there, I'm faking it so that we don't leak my IP address. Then you log in. You may have to use a different username, so log in as your own username, and bam, we are now in. But you're not done. We need to go in and expand the view here because it kind of gets to be a pain in the butt if we're not. Go down to settings, networks. Get rid of this one. Delete that one. You have to delete this one. Delete it. Create a new one. We're going to call this full node. And then the new RPC URL is the same thing. http://127.0.0.1 with periods 127 period 0 period 0 period 1 colon 8545. Chain ID for mainnet is 56. BNB is the symbol, and then https://bscscan.com/. Save it. If you see anything about chain ID right here not working, your forward did not work. But since this allowed me to add it, this full node is online. But now, what happens if you disconnect from Putty? And we'll go to try to connect to it again, and it'll just spin. You'll see it spinning there. You'll see it if you have the expanded view out. You'll see it just spin. So then what you got to do is go back to Putty. Go to money bags. Log in. Give your password. And then you may have to try again. Usually I switch off of it and then switch back onto it, and you're back. You'll get the question mark there because it doesn't know. There may be a way to solve the question mark, but hey, it works. I don't have anything in here. I don't even know the address because this is truly another throwaway wallet for the stream here. But now you are connected to your Binance full node using Putty, and to use your SSH tunnel, so you're not exposing your RPC port. You do not want to follow any directions out there that tells you to open up port 8545 or 8546 to anybody other than localhost. Trust me. Yeah, you're going to open a can of worms if you do that. So stay on localhost, use the default settings there, and then simply leave up your SSH session, and you can just minimize it right there, and it'll stay open. If you have trouble with it disconnecting, that's a server problem. You can message me in my Discord down below. I also put the links down below here real fast. Excuse me. The dinner is kicking back there, folks. The I'll put the links down below here on how to forwarding SSH. So yeah, we'll say local SSH forward, and you want 8545, and then you want 127.0.0.1, 8545, and then click add 8546. And I'm typing off of the screen right now onto the doobly-doo below, folks. All right, so there we go. So in the doobly-doo below, you will see the details of what I just added. And again, if you have any questions, join the Discord below. It's a great growing group of people that has definitely helped each other out. I've helped several people get their nodes set up, and they have graciously compensated me with some B&B and some other opportunities as well. So let's keep it up, folks. Let's keep sharing. Keep showing your coins you got out there, your ideas, your contracts. We like the sharing. And if you have any more video ideas, also uh, sure to comment, do the like and subscribe thing like you're supposed to, like all the so-called YouTubers do. But I'm not a YouTuber. I guess I am now, maybe, right? So with that, folks, I am gonna get out of here. And yes, I'm using OBS on a single screen. That is kind of hard, folks. When I'm used to 6 monitors on my normal setup here, but figured I'd do a quick one to show people how to go from Windows into your full node. All right, folks, catch you in that next video.